Hey, let me show you 20 the best features of the Realme C67. So first of all, we are going to start from the phone dialer and navigate into the right upper corner, open the settings, and from here we'll have to go into the dialer settings. So it appears actually just right here, calling accounts, and we've got the more settings. And here we can enable the flash on call. So now if you will have any incoming call, your flashlight will blinks and it will gives you this cool notification. Next, we'll have to go into the dual mode audio. So we'll have to go into the main settings, scroll down all the way down and go into the Realme Lab. And as you can see right here on this device, we can actually use the two pairs of the earphones at the same time. So we can share a second pair and listen to your favorite music, podcast or videos with your friends or family. And you have to pair one Bluetooth earbuds, and the second you can plug the wired with the USB-C cable or jack input. And when you do this, you will be able to open it here and adjust this function. Next, we can also expand the RAM memory. So when you go on about the device, you can find the RAM expansion by clicking right here, and you can actually give your phone more RAM memory to speed up your device. So as default is set for the 4 gigs, but you can get 6 or for example even 8, and now when you restart your device, you will speed up your smartphone. Next, we are going for the deep clean, and it will be located in the additional settings. Then we have to go into the process manager, and now we can quickly close all of this background running applications. So click here and tap to end all. Now you will free up your memory. Right now we are going for the screen of gestures, so they are also located in the additional settings. We have to open the motions and the gestures, and here we can find the screen of gestures. So when you turn it on, you can actually double tap to wake or turn off the screen. You can draw an O, V, or for example reverse V, M or W to open some features. So as you can see, let's try these options. Let's for example draw W on the off screen, and now we'll have to unlock the phone, and as you can see we will open this sound recorder. So as you can see, that's how it looks. Here we can find all of these shortcuts. Let's try to open the camera, for example. Let's do this one more time. There we go, and now we can quickly open the camera. So now let's go back. In this step we are going for the magnification function. So if you want to zoom in or zoom out your screen, you can for sure do this by going into the additional settings, then open accessibility. From here you will have to navigate into the vision, yeah, definitely vision. Go into the magnification, then click on the switcher to turn it on, click OK. And now if you want to zoom the part of your screen, click on this icon and then tap on it one more time. And as you can see, right here, we can actually navigate with our two fingers, and we can zoom in or zoom out by pinching screen. So that's how it looks. The next option will be the kid space. So if you have kids or younger brother, sister, someone of the family, you can actually get access into this phone by using this kid space, and it will be available in the special features. From here you can get the kid space, and now you can enter it. And as you can see from here, you can only give access to some applications. You can also reduce on the blue light, and from here, as you can see, your kid doesn't have access for any applications, only this that you actually allow. So that's kind of cool. Let's move forward, and from here we'll go into the settings one more time, and we'll open the optimized standby. So the battery is located right here. Now we have to go into the more settings and go into the optimized standby. And as you can see, this function will give us more, will actually extend the battery life when we turn on the balance mode or for example the ultra standby mode. So when the screen is off, some background apps will be closed to the reduced battery consumption, and also at the night the battery consumption will be further reduced when our device is idle. There may be delays in receiving messages, but we will extend the battery life when we are sleeping. So it's useful to turn it for the balance, all ultra standby mode. Next, when we are here, we can also check for the performance mode. And as you can see, if you want to speed up your device, for example, you are playing for some games or making some multitasking things, you can switch between the smart performance mode or high performance mode. Next, we are going for the battery usage, and as you can see in this device, you can actually check the remaining time of your current usage, and from here you've got the battery usage, so the usage since last charge, screen on since last charge, and also we can check the battery usage by any application. So as you can see in my case, the most battery is draining by the system launcher and the camera and LinkedIn. But if I want to optimize battery usage, I can do this, and from here I can find some tips. Next, we are going for the private space. So we can find this feature in the privacy. Go into the privacy, and here you can find the private space. Now you'll have to input your privacy password. If you don't have one, you will have to create it. And from here, you are actually able to hide your photos, videos, audio files, documents, and other files. So everything is actually encrypted and stored right here. Next, we can also hide some apps by going on this screen. As you can see here, I can enable any switcher, and if I want to hide this application, I have to input some code. So I have to enter like this. And finish with the same character. Then click OK. And now, as you can see, when I want to open this hidden apps, this calendar, I have to open the phone dialer and then input this code. And as you can see here, I can find my hidden apps. Next, we can also go into the app log. So when you are on the apps, you can also find the app cloner. And you can clone any application. For example, if I want to clone the Facebook, I have to click on this button, then wait for this creating process, and now I will be able to find two Facebook accounts on my Realme C67. Also, we can go into the applications where we can find this option of the automatic launch. And from here, if you are often using any of these applications, you can actually click to turn it on, and this application will be turned on automatically on the boot of your device, and it will be turned on in the background. So if you are often using Facebook or any of the following application, each time you turn on your device, this application will be also turned on, so you will be able to speed up the usage of your phone. Also, in this smartphone, we can find the video color boost, and it's located in the display and the brightness. It's just right here. That's the O1 Ultra Vision engine, and you can simply turn it on and you can check on which application is actually supported. So as you can see, that's the list of all supported applications. So once you turn it on, you will actually improve the look of your videos that you are watching on this device. Also, we can go into the app launch speed, and it will be located in the home screen settings. Now when we scroll down, we can find the app animation speed, and you can change between the medium and the fast, and you can adjust the speed of application, startup and closing animations. Also, we can find the double tap to wake or turn off the screen, and it actually appears just right here, so turn it on, and also double tap to lock. And let me show you how it works. When you double tap, you can lock your screen, and when you double tap one more time, you can unlock your phone. So that's really cool and useful feature, and that's basically it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.